What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to Kundasang, Sabah, the most beautiful place in Malaysia. And it says Mount Kinabalu, 4K. I wonder if it's Sabah, so this might be right beside where we're going first.
Yeah.
KK. So I'm super excited to check this out. This was recommended in a couple of our videos, I think from the same person.
Really?
Yeah, but congratulations to you. We saw it, and if you're ready to check it out, let's hop in.
I am ready to check it out. And if you don't believe that this is the most beautiful place in Malaysia, y'all hash it out.
And
I don't want to be part of that fight.
And let us know what you think is, and we'll react to that.
Yeah, that's a good idea. In this video, in a world.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Mount Kinabalu.
That's cool, man.
I could be stupid wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's
Well,
Mount
you're
Kinabalu.
half right about that.
Yeah.
So if that's Mount Kinabalu, then the other half is, you're right.
Look at the rainbow. You know, that looks like an old settlement.
It does.
Which it probably is quite old.
Yeah, I'm sure. Mount Kinabalu.
And Kundasang town. So this isn't, obviously, I guess this wouldn't be very far from where we're staying. That's cool. We might pass through this place.
You never know. Let us know if you are from here. Down in the comments, be like, hey, that's my town.
And then we can meet up when we come to KK.
If it's close.
If it's close. I've always thought houses like that are cool.
That's not a house.
Built
that's
on
a business, I think.
Oh. Well, like buildings built on ledges like that,
Yeah.
where they're on stilts.
I would just hate to have to because eventually you have to repaint this stuff or maintain it.
Yeah.
Ugh. How tall would that ladder have to be?
And how many people would you have to have holding it for you?
Yeah, exactly. That is so cool. It looks flat. It looks like it was like a mountain. They were like, yeah, we're going to just
cut the top off.
Yeah, just so people can go and hang out.
The clouds look like they go so low here.
I wonder how high above sea level that is.
Yeah.
Like, could you camp out on top? Or is that too high? You're kind of short on oxygen.
Well, people hike it, so I would imagine...
Yeah, but I'm saying, like, if you could just stay there
because it's
overnight.
like a few days hike. It's not a quick hike.
If it's not within a day, like a couple hours, it's too long.
Yeah. Yeah, because there's a certain route that a lot of people go.
Oh, that's a golf course. Check that out. Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful.
That would be the most insane place to golf. I would love to golf that. I hit a 200. Why so high? Look where I golfed. I was staring at the mountain the whole time.
So gorgeous.
Yeah, it is.
Are these rice paddies?
No, those would be probably like the tea plantations.
Tea plantations, yeah.
Look at us knowing things.
I was about to say they don't look like big enough.
Yeah.
I wonder if that rainbow was added.
I think it is. That's not how rainbows work.
Because it's moving with the camera.
It's like a lens flare kind of thing. Which would be perfect right here. You could do that and get away with it.
This just looks like it would be such a peaceful place
It
to
just
live.
makes me think of like Texas, to be 100% honest. Minus the mountains.
And the low clouds.
Yeah. Of course, they might not be low. They could be, you're just at a high elevation here. Because it just looks like a lot of farmland.
Yeah.
Like, I can say that I've never seen anything like this.
No, it's gorgeous. I mean, really, though, this just seems like a small town vibe where you just
Yeah.
Enjoy life. You have no worries, which obviously, you know, everybody's got their worries in the world and everybody's
Got some type of stress.
But it might be a lot easier to cope with here. And if I'm not mistaken, Swarren in KK said that Mount Kinabalu is not very far at all from the beach.
Really?
So
I would like a really high drone view so we can see.
yeah,
I love the roundabout.
I know.
Like, it's so subtle, but it's so different than what we have.
That looks like a little market.
You know what's funny? Like, you know how we were talking about how the roundabout is better than the red light that we have here? I was watching a UK reaction about the US and how big it is and stuff. And they were talking about the roundabout. One guy had lived here, and he was like, well, to be honest with you, you know, even here in the UK, the roundabouts get so busy that they install lights.
Really?
So he's like, it makes sense to a certain level, but once it gets to a certain level, it gets to the point where you have to have lights.
Yeah.
I was like, that's interesting to know. But for a town like this, it's probably the best thing ever.
Yeah.
Where it's not like, it doesn't look like they would have like insane traffic. Is that an apartment complex or what is this? Just a whole bunch of identical homes or a school maybe? No, this looks like homes.
Yeah.
Like a community.
Dairy farm.
Oh, is that what it said?
Mm-hmm. I mean, really, it just gives you that small town, like...
It feels like Texas, just like
I'm thinking
the hill
more of
country.
like Pennsylvania.
They don't have mountains like that.
I know.
Maybe like Colorado, going
Yeah.
into Montana maybe. Because that's where all of our very tall mountains that are in the lower 48. You can get up to Alaska. It kind of looks like Alaska. Like during the summer.
We're trying to find things to compare it to.
Yeah, I got
but
nothing.
It's so
so
different.
unique. Like, I guess we could just give up on it. I
Yeah.
tap out on trying to compare it to anything here. So beautiful. Those flowers.
Homestay Garden Cafe.
Blue Pine Resort. I would want my castle to be on top of that mountain. With oxygen being pumped
Nose
in.
would bleed a lot.
Yeah, with oxygen being pumped in. There's a KFC right there.
That's what
so
I was
funny.
looking for.
Like, I'm kind of curious, like, what the population of this place is, because it doesn't look like it's too big.
Right.
Like, my assumption would be somewhere like 10,000 maybe,
Mhm.
if that. Like, maybe like 5 or so. And then it's kind of like, where did KFC was like, we need to be in that city or in that town.
We need to go to Kundasang.
Of course, it was probably somebody did the franchise.
Yeah.
So. Okay, so is this like okay, what does this say? I can't read any of that. That's not in English.
Yeah, it's not English.
So
Sponsored by. It says sponsored by.
I'm guessing this is
Philly Enterprise.
cabbage or something. So I wonder if this is like the like their namesake. Like this is what they're known for.
Yeah.
Whatever this is. It looks like a cabbage or a weird looking leaf.
Welcome to Kundasang Town. Bye, Dairy Farm.
That was really cool.
It
It was
definitely
completely different than anything else we've watched
In Malaysia.
in
Yeah.
Malaysia.
Yeah, because
100%.
everything we've seen has just shown us the beaches and the city.
And being like completely up to date with like tall towers and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
Like, and
this takes you back.
Yeah.
And this is awesome.
because
And knowing that this is close to KK, I think this would definitely be a cool place to visit.
yeah, 100%. I would be totally down. I would love to eat like at a local eatery, you know,
Yeah.
because it doesn't seem like they do the food stalls there. Because
Oh,
it's
at that
kinda,
cafe that.
yeah,
they
that's what I'm
showed.
talking
That'd
about.
be
I bet
cool.
you that would be delicious.
Yeah.
This is just like small town small rural town that looks badass, to say the least.
Yeah. So let us know if you live in the area, even outside of the town. If you do, let us know. We might try and connect with you when we come out there.
100%. So with that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace
Out.